Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to delete Discord server. The process is straightforward, applicable for both laptop, personal computer, and mobile. The steps are similar for both platforms. You start by locating the server you want to delete in the list of available servers. On Discord's left side menu, once you've found it, right-click to access the context menu. Then, select Server Settings. This takes you to the settings page where you can do various tasks. To delete the server, scroll down on the left menu until you see the Delete Server option. Click on it and confirm your choice if two-factor authentication is enabled. And remember, this is an irreversible action. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!